All right, ladies and gentlemen of the pipe world, if you're welding pipe, you're spinning pipe on a positioner, on a production fab shop, anywhere, you need to be aware of this. If you want to be successful, you gotta be aware of this, okay? This is what's coming to you. We got just an ordinary spool here. We got a neck flange, pipe, reducer, T, pipe, flange, slip on. This weld here took 6 minutes. It's 6-inch Get 40 weld neck flange. 6 minutes, 11 minutes, 11 minutes. Flange, multi-pass fillet, 7 minutes. So let me tell you, the consistency you have with this, it's unbeatable. So if you're having a rough day, let's just say that you smash your finger with a hammer. You come to work, you can't weld the same because you're in some sort of body ache or whatever. You don't have to worry about that. You get behind that robot and it's just like a video game. Super easy. So don't be afraid of the job. The job itself just gets easier, faster, and you save your skill and energy for the actual welds that matter, where you can actually use your skill, talent, and perform the best you can, basically, but without breaking your back. You gotta get it. Don't be afraid. If you're the welder, don't be afraid of it. This is not robotics taking over your job. This is collaboration, cobots, collaboration with the welder, with the operator, okay? Full hands-on, and you're just saving your skill for the welds that matter, okay? So everybody wins here. Okay, we welded all this with the SWR. What's the SWR? Brought to you by Novark, okay? SWR, spool welding robot. What does it do for you? Well, if you're spinning pipe all day, if you're a top-notch welder, you're spinning pipe. It needs to be X-ray quality, probably. It's governed by ASME code, you know, high quality standard. You're a high-paid welder, probably. You're trained quite a bit. Took you a while to get to this skill level. But guess what? You can't pay me enough money to do this day in, day out. For all those welds you can spin, we have the SWR. Let me show you two. This is pneumatic and robotics combined, operating this arm that actually does most of the work for you. Without breaking your back, without breaking a sweat, you know, you can pick the recipe, which means the WPS, the weld procedure, for the pipe diameter, pipe thickness. It's already pre-programmed for you. This thing is not going to give, okay? It's very simple, but it's also the most advanced, the best collaborative welding robot in the market right now, okay? So, you know, you could be on your phone, on Instagram, probably not, maybe something productive, you know, checking drawings, things like that. Getting the job done. Now, as far as the quality goes, we have less than 1% fail rate. We have done rigorous testing. We brought it down to 1% fail rate, which means we passed 99% of our welds. X-ray, UT, Vickers, you name it, we've done it. We're good to go. We do from root to cap without stopping the arc. We don't shut off the arc. We switch from STT, okay, non-synergic STT to pulse, any pulse we want, without shutting off the arc. We do that. We don't stop the grind, we don't stop the wire wheel, we continue. We get the weld done from beginning to end without stopping, okay? That's what sets us apart from most of the competition out there. The root, it's impeccable, okay? The caps, visibly as you can see from there, they're pretty nice, okay? We have a choice of doing split cap, single weaves. If you're limited by a weave width, no problem, we turn it into stringers. We turn it into stringers without a problem. We have a recipe for you. If we don't have a recipe for your specific procedure, we make a new one. We show you how to make it. We also make it for you. It's not a big deal. It's very simple, guys. Prepare to be successful. You got to get one of these if you're running a real serious business out there.